Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster. Trusted name for all repair and construction needs. Buildwell. Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster is manufactured in a modern dry mix plant with computerized batch process. This plaster is ready to use by just mixing water at site. This process eliminates job site mixing practices. Hence, it gives a consistent quality with required sand mesh sizes in exact proportion, which is the most important part for the compactness of plaster. Further, to have desired workability, less rebounding losses, required slump properties, and over durability, polymers are added in Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster. What is plastering? Plastering is the process of covering rough surface of wall, column, ceiling, and other parts of the building with thin coat of mortars to form a smooth, hard, and durable surface capable of protecting external surface against penetration of rainwater and other atmospheric vagaries. A good plaster needs to have a strong adhesion on wall and ceiling with an excellent water resistant, crack-free and workability property that will protect the interior, provide flat base for painting, minimize the inconvenience of maintenance and speed up the construction. Therefore, in many ways, plastering is as critical as structural members, brickwork, flooring, etc. Let us understand its unique features and benefits. Compact plaster reduces void gaps. Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster provides highly durable plaster that cuts repair and the maintenance cost. Negligible silt content, reduces rebounding, excellent workability and good adhesion on various substrate. Paint finish and life of paint are enhanced. Let us have a look at the specifications. In Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster, cement and sand ratio is maintained as 1:4 with enhanced polymers and chemicals. Do make a note. Number 1. All the tests are carried out at manufacturer's end. Specifications are derived internally except EN standard methods. 2. Flexural strength, pull-off adhesion and water retentivity is conducted as per EN standard methods. Specification for flexural strength is derived internally since limit are not specified in EN standard. Let us understand preparation, mixing and application of Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster. The substrate needs to be cleaned and made free from grease and loose particles. The porous and absorbent substrates need to be pre-wetted prior to application of Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster to prevent premature loss of water from the plaster. This will ensure that thin layer can be applied without cracking problems and proper cement hydration, and adherence of the mortar to the substrate is attained. Use 7 to 8 liters of water for 40 kg Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster. Pour the Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster while mixing for 4-5 minutes with hand or still better with a mechanical mixer to achieve good consistency. Do not overmix. Allow mixture to stand for 2 to 3 minutes for additives to dissolve. Remix again for about 2 minutes and your plaster is ready to use. Apply the plaster to the substrate using some pressure while finishing with a steel trowel or wooden float to ensure optimum bonding of the plaster to the substrate surface. Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster can be used for interior as well as exterior wall. Let's thoroughly understand the packaging and storage details. Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster is available in 40 kg bag and has a shelf life of 12 months subject to stored in a cool and dry location properly. As temperature, humidity, water addition and other parameters vary from site to site, the above information should be treated as a general guideline and kept it out of reach of children. Let's learn the water demand for ready mix plaster. Depending upon the substrate and climate, add approximately 7 to 8 liters of water per 40 kg bag. Let us now understand the coverage which will assist while calculating. Buildwell Ready Mix Plaster approximately coverage is for a 40 kg bag is as follows. 10 to 12 mm plaster on lightweight blocks is almost 17 to 18 square feet. 10 to 12 mm of brick wall, you can use 14 to 15 square feet. 18 mm of lightweight blocks is 11 square feet. 25 mm on brick wall, 7 to 7.5 square feet, and R10 mm on RCC would require 20 to 22 square feet. Coverage depends on quality and nature of substrates, hence is indication. Plaster 10 to 12 mm must be in 2 coats for highly durable plaster that cuts maintenance cost, and for long life constructions choose only build well ready mix plaster from Wall Plast.